Welcome to the Zero Energy Ready Home webinar with Thrive Home Builders. Originally, your presenters were Nancy Kellogg, Program Associate with the Southwest Energy Efficiency Project, and Nathan Carr, High Performance and Healthy Home Manager at Thrive Home Builders. Unfortunately, Nathan will not be able to join us today because he just notified me that he is sick and he has lost his voice. So this webinar may be a little bit shorter than we were planning, and I am also planning on answering questions at the end of the webinar. So I appreciate your patience, and I will proceed. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to your questions at the end. The Southwest Energy Efficiency Project, or SWEEP, is part of a national network of regional energy efficiency organizations, or REOs. REOs are dedicated to providing people with more energy efficient, resilient, and sustainable buildings to enjoy for their communities and for themselves. SWEEP's territory is the Four Corners region, Nevada, and Wyoming. Excuse me, I'm sorry. A zero energy ready home is the home of the future. 50% of the urban infrastructure that will be needed for 2050 has not been built yet. Let's build these buildings right the first time. We have a wonderful opportunity to do this with this program. Last Friday, March 14th, 2019, I took this picture. This is a picture of my neighboring house with ice damming or icicles coming from the lower level. Ice damming is a product of air leakage and poor insulation. This is an example of what you don't want to happen in your home. This home is showing it was recently fixed and flipped, but they did not improve the energy efficiency of this home. They made it worse. And this is a big reason why we're doing this training, to avoid this and to encourage people to buy homes that are built right. And so now let's get into the basics of the Zero Energy Ready Home. This chart explains the need for the Zero Energy Ready Home program to reduce risks while improving efficiency in housing. This chart shows the risk in different homes. The typical home has lower performance and lower efficiency. A minimum code home, you've increased the efficiency, but also increased the risk. An Energy Star home is higher performing and reduced risk. A Zero Energy Ready Home, certified home, has low risk and of failure and high efficiency. It's the best of all worlds. Retrofitting a typical existing home can create tremendous risk for homeowners. HERS raters are your valuable partners for building Zero Energy Ready homes. Check out the Department of Energy Zero Energy Ready Home website for verifier partners, or HERS raters. All partners can be located from the homepage under Builders. Working with your HERS rater is key to successfully building Zero Energy Ready homes. It's incredible. If you can avoid design mistakes at the pre-construction stage, you will save money in your building of your buildings. The Zero Energy Ready Home program is a short step from 2012 code or an Energy Star home. This chart shows how a Zero Energy Ready home builds upon Energy Star homes and code houses. The Zero Energy Ready Home program provides added performance and efficiency beyond the minimum energy code. These homes, they're basically start with a HER score between 48 and 55. The lower the score, the better. We're going towards zero. Advanced enclosure. An optimum enclosure is insulation and air sealing. A Zero Energy Ready home is a complete package of risk management. Efficient components such as lighting, HVAC systems, and appliances build upon the efficiency of this structure. Water protection is also key in protecting the durability and health of your home. Exterior protecting against exterior moisture intrusion and increasing the efficiency of that water management in the home. Ensured comfort with good HVAC system design and testing, and that comfortable enclosure. Indoor air quality is achieved through Indoor Air Plus checklists by selecting by component selection, ventilation, and maintenance of the home. Completing the package is a solar ready home by providing conduit from the roof to the breaker space in the breaker box, and providing the engineering load documents, snow loads and loads for your roof, so that it's allowing customers for efficient future solar installation. I want to read you this quote. I can tell you the energy usage is lower in the new home in contrast to my apartment. That's pretty amazing. This quote came from a Thrive homeowner. Anytime you can heat and cool and live in a home, a much larger home than you can for an apartment, you're in a win-win. People are starting to talk. It's a better experience and has lower cost of home ownership. And why is the Zero Energy Ready home the home of the future? Why is it a big idea? The Department of Energy did an internal analysis to examine the impacts associated with market transformation of new homes to the Department of Energy's Zero Energy Ready home and existing homes, applying many of these proven technologies with upgrade results, with their upgrades, energy improvement upgrades. The results showed incredible utility bill savings, millions of work, millions of job opportunities for millions of people, additional tax revenue with those new jobs. There are actually 3 million jobs there's lots of jobs in this. Excuse me, I'm sorry. It also reduces carbon emissions. This creates jobs, creates savings for homeowners, and reduces carbon emissions. It is truly a big idea. The Zero Energy Ready home is positive for everyone. This is an excellent reason why builders should build these homes. greater customer satisfaction, less liability for the customer's costs, and quality management of the third-party verification of that home. It's not just the builder's word, it is also the third party, it's also third-party verified. All of this creates informed buyers. This is, let your home buyers be your new sales force. The infrared camera is a game changer. Previously, defects in the homes were hidden. If the house looked pretty, it was sold. Now we have tools that are readily available to everyone that are documenting those issues in the home. And once we can see them, we can improve them. Optimize enclosure. Insulation and air sealing are inspected and graded before the home is drywalled. This is a game changer. This is an example of an existing home and attic air infiltration between the drywall and the top plate. This, as a former energy rater and home energy auditor, this type of information really changes people's minds about the efficiency of their home. Optimize enclosure takes care of the thermal barrier, eliminating common comfort and efficiency issues. We now have solutions to those common problems, and people do not have to live with cold floors or cold homes. Optimize enclosure again. Pre-drywall inspections and final air leakage blower door testing greatly reduce air leakage. In the average Colorado home, 60% of the home's air is exchanged every hour. After a home is built, it is expensive and difficult to effectively control the air leakage in the home. We say, make the home tight and ventilate it right. That ventilation is key. The WaterSense checklist reduces moisture risk. The checklist details proper flashing techniques and methods of reducing moisture, interior and exterior moisture intrusion. Moisture management is key to protect the durability of the structure and the health of the occupants from mold and mildew. Communities throughout the world are assessing and collecting data about the efficiency of buildings. The city of Portland, Oregon requires a HERS rating score or a home energy score at the time of listing homes for sale. Other communities are investigating this idea and are utilizing green addendum pages added to MLS listings to highlight and inform buyers of these hidden benefits and hidden issues. Which building would you like to live in? How about your parents or your children? If given the choice, people choose wisely. Informed homebuyers allows people to live in comfort year-round without breaking the bank. ZERH, or Zero Energy Ready Homes, create healthier living environments for their occupants by controlling moisture, air leakage, and material selection, pests, contaminants, through the adherence of the Indoor Air Plus checklist and Indoor Air Plus and WaterSense checklists, now and in the future with proper maintenance. Informed buyers realize inexpensive housing with expensive utilities is a recipe for poverty. They realize the true cost of ownership. Smart, successful, zero energy ready home builders are making their customers aware of this. Informed home buyers do their research. Certifications matter, and innovation awards showcase these top builders. With your most expensive purchase, are you going to buy a one-star home? It's happening now. People are rating their homes with stars on a 4-star or 5-star home. People do not want to spend their good money on a 1-star house if they have a choice. People who live and work in high-performance homes never go back to substandard buildings. Knowledge and experience is a game changer. It is the experience that people, once they realize it, they want to have it. And a home buyer is a catalyst for change. The study, they determined home buyers who use these thermal images were 4.9 times more likely to install draft proofing and in their homes than if they were just presented with an energy audit. These new tools are changing the dialogue. Nearly 3/4 of Bristol residents who were shown thermal imaging of their home's heat loss took some kind of action. This is a vision of the home of the future. They're disaster resilient. They have battery storage, they have solar, you're charging your EV, your electric vehicle, comprehensive indoor air quality measures. All of these components create a magical home. And to quote Arthur C. Clarke, any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. I think these homes are magic. People don't care why, they just love them. How to communicate zero. Keep the message simple. There are lots of programs, there's information out there, but people are confused. It's too confusing for homeowners. Keep it simple. Show people the benefits. Most homeowners do not want to become building scientists. They do want all the benefits of the zero energy ready home. This label provides that. It provides them a home with, and the website gives you the information on where they're located and who can build them for you. If you do not tell your homeowners and future customers the benefits of the Zero Energy Ready Home program, you're giving away those benefits, or you're losing a customer. Informed buyers want more than pretty. They understand the financial benefits once you explain them to them. Full thermal protection from the hottest and coldest weather. We are experiencing more extreme weather events throughout the country. Energy efficiency in our buildings is a critical piece to improving the resiliency of our cities and local communities. Buildings that are built to higher efficiency standards are able to maintain comfortable temperatures for longer periods of time due to better thermal envelopes. preventing overheating or freezing. It's possible to take a tent and add enough solar energy to make it net zero, where it produces as much energy as it uses over the course of the year. These are not homes that you want to live in. They are not protection from extreme weather events. Total comfort. As an energy auditor, the bulk of my customers initially, my original customers hired me to improve the comfort of their home or some other issue they were having, such as with their health or water leakage. The Zero Energy Ready Home program provides that comfort. No one wants to live in a sick building. Including the Indoor Air Plus program in the Zero Energy Ready Home system assures people that they are living in a healthy home. Water problems and moisture management is the #1 reason for deterioration of homes. With utilizing the WaterSense tool, there's comprehensive moisture protection. Moisture protection makes homes more durable and healthy. These homes are independently verified and certified. I can't stress this enough. Work with your HERS rater, certify your buildings. This does have value. This is also, you're purchasing a building. If you purchase a Zero Energy Ready home today, it is ready for the future. It is advanced codes, superior, and when all of their other systems prepares you for the future. Visit the Zero Energy Ready website for more information on how you can get a better home experience and a better home, how you can build a better home. Education, builder's guides, trainings, and resources are provided free through the Department of Energy's Zero Energy Ready Home website. The Building Technologies program has a wealth of videos and builder guides to help you in the construction of these homes. This is a standard advertising for a home builder. This is better. This is effective advertising. Who wouldn't want a home with low bills and extreme comfort? What is important to you? This is another effective ad, and it's true. These homes are healthier by addressing the components, the air leakage, and the ventilation. These homes are healthier to live in. So let's get started on being a Zero Energy Ready home. I added this slide to show you what we're trying to avoid. Installing HVAC systems the correct way saves time, reduces costs, and improves efficiency. Not only do we want to consider these factors to make sure the air is going where it's supposed to, we're also taking them into account so that the final HVAC fan doesn't have to work harder than it's designed to. Think of the ducts system as fun, twisty straws. The more bends, the harder and longer you have to get a drink. It works the same way for a duct system. The more bends and turns and twists, And size changes makes it harder for the system to work. Plus, this takes time and uses materials. It's inefficient on every level. This simple example shows the importance of efficient duct system. It also shows the flexibility of the Zero Energy Ready home system. You can have a very efficient furnace, but if you have an inefficient ducting system, your system efficiency, that's what we want to get at. Your system efficiency is only 57%. If you have an 80% efficient furnace with efficient duct distribution system, you have a 72% efficient system. It makes sense, saves time, and saves money. These are some examples of where you can locate ducts so they're optimized and they're staying in the conditioned space of the home. Utilizing these systems prevents you from having to put them in unconditioned places like your unconditioned attics and crawl spaces. This makes for more efficient systems. If you're not running your ducting, if they're tight, well sealed, and the runs are short, they work better. This is an example of what's on the Zero Energy Ready home site, their website. They have a video showcasing the homes of today. They have charts. They have all kinds of materials. Plus, you become a Zero Energy Ready partner, you're listed and people can find you. And they keep with the same simple core messages. So please join the movement. Visit the Zero Energy Ready home site. Look over the requirements, take a tour, review the resources, view the webinars, and sign up. No charge to be a Zero Energy Ready partner. Absolutely free to be signed up in the program. The Zero Energy Ready home program is the complete package. It's ready for the future now, building upon the enclosure, the HERS rating, independent verification, water management, HVAC, indoor and the HVAC systems and whole house ventilation, optimized duct location, in EPA indoor air package, efficient water distribution and moisture management, solar ready. Gene Myers, Thrive Home Builder CEO and 2017 Builder of the Year. Hopefully in the future, we will hear from Thrive. It's unfortunate that we're not able to hear from Nathan today. It's an incredible company. They build the most Zero Energy Ready homes in the country. They were second for a number of years, but they just beat Mandalay Homes in Arizona. They're both incredible home builders. I'm very happy to say 60% of all the Zero Energy Ready homes are built in SWEEP states. I'm very proud. If you become a Zero Energy Ready home builder, you're recognized. They provide you with professional, personalized marketing materials for your business. And I also wanted to remind everyone, we are recording this webinar. And so if you wish to hear it, we will be sending material so that you can hear this and view this webinar at your leisure. We will be putting this on our website. It'll be available for viewing on Monday. And so come to me and I'll be sending out information so that you can see a recording of this program. But these materials are great. Notice this is a Thrive Home Builders brochure, but they personalize these for your use. These professional marketing materials are designed to be plug and play, putting your story and putting your pictures and your work at the forefront and to tell your story. The messaging is consistent and easy to understand with their branding and marketing. It's a great program. They've thought it through. The Zero Energy Ready Home program starts with a high performance enclosure. Encourage your home buyers to talk about their comfort. Let them be your salespeople. Thank you very much. Try being a Zero Energy Ready Home partner. Try being a zero. Please strongly consider being a Zero Energy Ready Home partner. Try it. You'll like it. Please contact me with any and all questions about the program, or feel free to contact Newport Partners LLC. They work with the Department of Energy, and they're a wealth of information, as well as their website. I welcome all builders and building industry members to sign up and become an innovative partner with the Department of Energy's Zero Energy Ready Home program. It is free to join and the wave of the future. At this time, let me see if there's any questions. I will open up. Please, if you have any questions that you would like me to answer, put them in the chat box, and I will answer your questions. And if I don't know the answer, I will get back with you. And I thank you for joining our program. And I thank you so much for joining the program. And I will leave, since I'm not seeing any, questions at this time. We will have a recording of this webinar will be made available by next Monday for your available and viewing on Monday. So please contact me. I'm Nancy Kellogg with SWEET. Let me go back and I'll show you my my email is nkellogg@swenergy.org. Please contact me at any time, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions or get someone else who can. Thank you very much for joining this webinar, and please feel free to contact me and to sign up for the program. I know you will be happy you did. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye.